If you have a small apartment like me, you can definitely relate to my problem of not having enough space to fit all my belongings. Throughout the years, we have come up with different ways to maximize the space and make it functional. Welcome to Jansen's DIY, and here are 15 useful organizing ideas for small apartments. 1. Creating a small entryway even for a small apartment is important. If you don't have enough space for guest coats, you could provide several steel wall hooks right by the front door. You could also use a floating shelf with horizontal hooks attached underneath. This doesn't take up floor space, and you can hang your keys on the hook and drop your mail on the floating shelf. 2. Increase storage space in your living room by combining open shelving and closed cabinets. By an empty wall that serves as a walkway between rooms, place plain white cabinets against the white walls, giving the illusion that it was hidden in plain sight. Use the open shelving and displays of your favorite books and interesting knickknacks you've picked up over the years. 3. Over-the-door organizers have become my best friend. This storage idea makes the most of every inch of space. Over your bedroom door, you could store shoes in a giant canvas or using a wire rack organizer for cleaning supplies. For instance, add a tiny whiteboard on the back of a cabinet door in your bathroom to help you keep track of your schedule for the week. The back of your kitchen cabinet doors can be used for storing pots and lids. 4. For the open shelves in your living room, you could put covered boxes of various designs, sizes, and materials. Place useful objects inside that don't need to be displayed, such as stationery, office supplies, and other art materials. Constantly purge these boxes and keep only the things you need. For the open shelves in my kitchen, try to use plastic boxes where you can keep various ingredients and kitchen tools. Use plastic storage for your kitchen since they are easy to clean. 5. One of the things that really annoys me is the presence of cords snaking their way on the floor to the power outlet. To solve this, tuck your cords away by mounting a power strip on the back of a drawer. This provides a great place to charge your device and keeps the cords nicely organized and out of the way. 6. Adhesive hooks are so versatile. I can use them just about anywhere in the house, but mostly in the bedroom and bathroom. Get larger ones for your totes and handbags, and the smaller ones for your umbrellas and necklaces. In the bathroom, they are handy for robes and towels. You can also hang multiple shower caddies on these adhesive hooks. 7. Little acrylic risers are available in specialty container stores or, in my case, the home section of a neighborhood department store. These are very useful organizers for medicine cabinets because you can stack them on top of each other, and it gives additional shelf space. Get the 6x3 risers. This should fit in most medicine cabinets. 8. Another effective way to save space is to get movable furniture. One of my favorite movable furniture pieces is a wooden coffee table on casters that can be placed against the wall and out of the way when not in use. You could also have a light chair which can be moved around as needed, in the bargain section of a furniture store known for its quirky designs. 9. Corners are often unused or underutilized, but for tiny apartments, you can use this space to install corner shelves. Use a small nook in your apartment and install triangular wooden shelves. There are about 5 shelves going all the way from a few inches from the ceiling down to about 6 inches from the floor. That's where you can keep some of your books, a potted plant, and a desk calendar. 10. Having a strategically placed light is important in a small space. To save on floor or table space, try to use overhead plug-in lighting. I prefer using lighting with clean lines and a simple design. Since many apartments don't come with overhead lighting, adding some lighting in well-chosen areas is definitely a big plus. 11. I have considered storing things under my bed, but since I'm one of those people who doesn't bother cleaning under the bed, I decided to scrap the entire idea. But with this storage bed with drawers, you could keep your off-season clothes, thick quilts, and blankets there. It's also a great place to put away kids' toys. 12. I love my extendable dining room table. There is one from IKEA which also comes with storage built in, where you can store cutlery and napkins. The drop-leaf table is versatile because it can go 3 ways depending on the number of guests you have. This model can seat 4 to 6 people and also an extra leaf stored under the tabletop. You could easily expand it when you have company and retract the table back to its smallest size when they all go home. Save even more space by docking the table against a wall. This works best when there are only 2 people in the apartment. 13. This great idea came to me when I was at my friend's garage. They keep their tools on a white pegboard, and I thought that it would be great to use the same white pegboard in my kitchen. Mount a pegboard on a blank wall and then place the board vertically to maximize kitchen space. Purchase hooks and hang cooking and baking utensils such as sieves, whisks, and measuring cups. 14. In order to save precious space in your already overcrowded bathroom, place a flip-down vanity table in your bedroom. Mounting a mirror on top of the table and a roller chair completes the space where you conduct your morning makeup routine every single day. A clever hidden drawer adjacent to the table serves as your makeup storage, where you keep your foundation and mascara. There's also a small dowel rod where you can keep your bracelets. When you're done, you can easily fold the table down, which frees up the space. 15. To save on space on the counter, use a roll-up drying rack that fits over the sink. Keep dishes there while they're drying, and you can easily store it once the dishes are dry. To store fruits and vegetables that shouldn't be refrigerated, use a chef's cart that you can roll around your kitchen easily. This cart has 6 storage baskets where you can keep apples, onions, and other fruits. If your fridge isn't up against the wall, build a little shelf against the free side to store cooking oil and condiments like ketchup, soy sauce, and hot sauce. So, what do you think about this episode? Please share your thoughts about this video in the comments section. For more organizing ideas, stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.